Plug and play installation directly in the OBD2 port. Locate the diagnostic port, usually found under the dashboard on the driver's side. Insert the zip tie around the port to later secure the device. Connect the Go device to the port. Push to ensure the connection is tight. You will hear 6 beeps and all 3 lights on the device will flash briefly. Secure the device in place with the zip tie. Turn on the ignition. The device will beep as each one of the LEDs lights up. Green indicates cell connection. Red indicates ignition detection, and blue indicates GPS latch. Wait for all 3 LEDs to come on. The installation is complete. To ensure the device is communicating, go to install.geotab.com and enter the device serial number.